check out my YouTube account. Subscribe right here. Link in the bio. This is what it feels like. Wow.
You're shaking too much, man. You gotta move like really slow. That's too fast.
Really? This is cool. Colette is like a Nike version of like Louis Vuitton. Yeah. It's where like A$AP Rocky shops. Like all the famous like high fashion rappers.
Bottles in the hotel lobby. Seems to me like I'm just scared of never feeling it again. I know it's crazy to believe.
No, questo oggi partite. Voglio che tai matti ciao. No, yeah, Ashley. Zendaya, Carolina.
Okay. Croissant. 3 times.
And Dunoya, Cody, Tao. Dunoya, Hayori, Tao. Thank you.
Alors, one breakfast here. One here.
Cody, say hi, Cody.
야죠. 눈배요. 눈수도.
누나가 떠지야.
지바.
와, 스프레이 맛있어.
Why is it so delayed?
Không có muốn có từ bên number của à?
Ashley.
Các bạn mua bên number.
Dad's trying to solicit.
Ew.
Like the Thailand one. Các bạn mua cầm bên number à? They ask for phone number.
I know it's crazy to believe in silly things. It's not that easy. I remember it now, it takes me back to when it all first started. We only got ourselves to blame for it, and I accept it now. It's time.
Cody, how's your ice cream? How's your ice cream, Mom?
It is delicious.
Ash, how's your ice cream? Is it better than gelato? It's not. It's called Glacier Rosati. Matta, how's your ice cream? Does it smells like fish?
What's the green one? Is that it?
So actually, a question for you, Ash. Do you pee in front of your brother?
Yeah.
Cody? That was fine.
Yeah.
Cody, was that okay? You guys?
No, I didn't look.
You didn't look? Did you hear it?
I was drying my hands.
You're drying your hands. I don't know, Ash.
Get my water, please.
I saw my butt last night.
That's disgusting. By accident. You're just dumb as hell. Just walk around with blood.
Figure it out.
Why do you guys look?
Oh, you have to look. What?
How's your beer, Matt? Saigon beer. Tastes a little bit different.
Maybe I'll be on Snapchat.
Do they have a beer?
I'll add you on Snapchat.
Gina? Do they have beer here, Gina? Do they have beer?
Yeah, Dad.
Alright.
Pita is
I'll take the Italy National beer. National beer, right? I'll take the national.
The large?
Yeah, I'm ready for a large.
That's why I just gave that. Only one cool card with that, the SOS thing. That sounded sick.
Yeah. It's funny actually.
That's
Let it go out and start again. When it all comes to an end, the world will spin. Like a takes me back to when we started. When you let it go out and start again. When it all comes to an end, the world will spin.
Eating dinner Monday night. Check out the vlog. Link in the bio. I got merch coming down this weekend. 20% discount. Promo code down in the bio. Yeah, click like and subscribe in the bottom left corner. Right here.
The red bell to notify you.
First started, but I've only got myself to blame for it, and I accept it now. It's time to let it go out and start again.
What?
We should go fishing.
I don't think they have fish there, Cody. It's too dirty.
It's hard to find what is what.
I'm good.
Oh, this is pasta. Fish. Oh, this is pasta with meat. Oh, this is salad. This is appetizers.
You guys saying your teeth too, dog.
I think all the problems in the relationship is caused by Kat.
Bro, she just start throwing food at you.
I'm Matt. What you doing?
Nobody's gonna eat it, so I'm gonna flavor this.
Baba, do I
What should we
cause
do?
all the problems in our relationship?
No comment.
That's what I thought.
That's how you get in trouble.
Here, fam.
No, you don't.
Exactly.
Oh.
You do.
Yeah, I do.
Here. Rub on the other one.
How's it?
No, just want to say.
It's gonna taste disgusting.
No,
Your
just let it
gap,
sit.
babe, is skin.
It actually looks
Honey,
like
put it in my
really
plate. Just don't.
You have to have an exquisite taste of fine dining.
Yeah. It's different, huh?
Wipe your mouth.
Just imagine, what if I was wrapped?
I could eat a whole plate though.
No.
This
Cuttlefish.
looks exquisite.
You don't like that? You don't like the shrimp?
This lobster doesn't look like shrimp.
It does this look. Yeah, it's lobster.
That's salmon. Both?
Yep, everyone gets one.
No chateau, Baba.
No, no.
But you're
Oh,
in
we,
one.
oh yeah, we would get the bruschetta. Why not?
Residency, buddy.
Well, how am I gonna get a good freaking job out of it?
You gotta hit the books.
Aren't you supposed to hit the books? You're
I thought your dream job was the guy that drives the fancy car at our house. The medical
physician?
Yeah.
Ooh, where?
Yeah.
When you come out of our house, there's those.
The trio.
There's the
The
trio.
orthopedics.
Orthopedics, and there's a guy with a fancy car.
RA Porsche.
No, I was talking about that guy.
150,000.
Where? What?
You know the orthopedics by Mount Orthopedics?
Where you go and get your PT? Yeah. Oh yeah.
As you leave
Oh,
our
the
house.
ones at the mountain. I mean, the hill.
Yeah, he leaves our house. There's always a guy. He doesn't park where everybody parks.
Parks in the way corner.
Parks in the way corner.
No, you live in the corner, all physician place.
You got macarons. Yeah, this is
Here, honey.
what I told you. Dad, what did you say to Kat? Follow your words. Don't do it in front of people. You are Ew, Cody, I
come
just
here.
saw the kiss.
Come here. Look in the mirror.
Ew. No.
Okay, take your hand out.
No. Ew. Yes. I think I'll do it again. Ew. Dad, that's too fresh.
slice.
We'll go to that place with the thin crust and like that. The pizza in the
Yeah.
glass.